everyone, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet, and today I'm just going to do a really quick video because it's just been a very busy week. I wanted to come out and do a tutorial, so I'm just going to give you a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be making. It's this cute little baby bonnet that I made by creating one of my favorite stitches. And I put a sweet little flower on it and a border, so it looks like a little pixie kind of pixie hood. And then I put I made a chain with different wool, so this is a contrast or different yarn. This is a cotton yarn that I used to make this, and it's an ice yarn. And then for the flower and for the tie, I used just a red heart. I think it's called Super Soft or something like that, just for the little contrast. So it's a little sneak peek of what I'm coming up with. I'll be doing a tutorial soon. I just haven't had time to put it all together yet. I just thought of this in my head, so I wanted to share it with you because I know that some people are having babies soon. So these are for gifts that will be given away to cute little babies coming in the fall. And so I just wanted to give you that little sneak peek of that. And so if you're new here and you like my content, I would really encourage you to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching this short little sneak peek video, and I'll be back to show you the tutorial for this little bonnet pixie type hat. Very simple, very easy, and very adorable. If you can help me think of a cute name for it, that would be great. Just leave me a comment. Thank you so much. Take care, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.